Hi, good morning. My name is JR, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to assist an unconscious patient for his oral care. First and foremost, the first thing that you have to do is to make sure that your hands are washed and clean to avoid spreading of the microorganisms and infection. And then you have to gather the materials that you'll be needing while doing the procedure. So we have here our drain cloth, large towel, tongue depressor, 4 tongue padded depressors, MSS basin, petroleum jelly, glycerin solution, fresh cup of water, and our gloves. Okay? Then after gathering the materials, you may now go to the patient's unit, knock on the door to show courtesy, and then once you enter the room, if there are visitors inside, you may ask them to stand outside for you to be able to do the procedure properly. And then you have to open the privacy curtain. And then once you see the patient, check the identification by looking at the head part, side part, foot part of the patient, or by simply asking the patient, or by simply checking the identification of the patient, checking the ID bracelet to check the identification of the patient. Right? So after doing that, we may now adjust the bed to its working level. So we may adjust it for about 20 to 30 degrees. 20 to 30 degrees. Okay? And then after adjusting the bed, we can now apply the large towel. Do not jerk or shake the towel to avoid spreading of the microorganisms and infection. So apply the... No. Unconscious ka. So apply the towel on the patient's chest. Okay? And that is to avoid, to protect the clothes and the linens from soiling, and also to promote drainage. Okay? And now we're gonna be wearing our gloves, assuming it's worn already. By the way, our gloves is to protect ourselves from contamination, microorganisms, and infection. Okay? Assuming it's worn. And then we also have to put the MSS basin near the mouth of the patient to promote drainage. Okay? And then, position the head of the patient laterally near the MSS basin, again to promote drainage. Okay? So after doing that, we may now get the glycerin solution together with the 3 tongue padded depressors. Okay? So put a little amount of glycerin solution in the container where the 3 tongue padded depressors are placed. Okay? Just one quart full of the container of the glycerin solution. And then after putting in the glycerin solution inside, you may now bring it to the patient. Do not forget to bring the tongue padded tongue depressor, and this is to avoid yourselves from being beaten by the patient. Okay? So we're going to be using this to open the mouth of the patient. Okay? Before doing the procedure, do not forget to tell the patient the procedure. Hey sir, by the way, my name is JR, and today I'm going to be the assigned caregiver to do your oral care. And so please stay calm and relax. I'm just going to be doing the oral care for you. Okay? So I'm going to be opening the mouth of the patient using the tongue depressor, and then use the first tongue padded depressor to clean the palate, the tongue, the gums, and the teeth of the patient. Okay? After cleaning, put it in the MSS basin. Do the same procedure using the second tongue padded depressor. So clean the mouth, the teeth, the gums, the palate of the patient. Put it in the MSS basin after doing the procedure. And then, for the last time, use the third tongue padded depressor to clean the gums, the palate, the teeth, and the mouth of the patient. Alright? After doing the procedure, put it in the MSS basin. And then, after washing the mouth of the patient, we're now going to be rinsing or washing the mouth of the patient using the last tongue padded depressor. This time, we're going to be using the fresh cup of water in rinsing the mouth of the patient. Okay? Use as well the tongue depressor to avoid again your fingers to be bitten by the patient. Open the mouth of the patient, And then rinse the mouth of the patients using the tongue pad of the presser. Put it in the MSS basin after washing the mouth of the patient. And then after doing the procedure, put everything back to the overbed table. Okay? And then wash the patient mouth after doing the procedure. After wiping the mouth of the patient, get the towel. Do not jerk or shake the towel to avoid spreading the microorganisms and infection. Put it in the laundry hamper nearby. And then after removing the towel, we have to put petroleum jelly. This is to make sure that the patient's lips are not going to be dry and to avoid cracklings and bleeding of the patient's lips since the patient is unconscious. And the patient won't be able to do it for himself. Okay? So apply a little amount of, do we have cotton buds? Okay, assuming this is cotton buds, right? Get a little amount of petroleum jelly, apply it on the patient lips. Okay, after doing the procedure, discard this in the trash bin nearby, and then put the petroleum jelly back to the overbed table. Okay, so after doing the procedure, after doing that, we may adjust the bed to its original level. Okay, and then keep all the things that you have used, put them all back to its proper places. Okay, also do not forget to clean and disinfect the overbed table and the places that you use. Okay, and then remove your gloves. Put the gloves or throw the gloves in the trash bin nearby. And then wash your hands after doing the procedure. After doing that, you may now tell the patient that you are done with the procedure. Hey sir, thank you for your cooperation. We're done with the procedure. Now gonna be going back to my working unit and report everything that we're done with the procedure. And then report to your nursing supervisor or head nurse that you are done with you assisting the patient for his oral care. That's it.